The Marcus is half bit or half bit? The Marcus is
That's why the Eagles said
Wait! Helena, you're in with me. Okay. How do I open this gently?
Okay. Yes, girl. Put this down. Go on.
Strip that down, girl. Love it when you hit the ground, girl. Strip that down.
Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, so I will get all of the.
Oh!
Wait a minute.
Talikod.
Wait, this is the CD. Oh yeah, they
Show the
can
CD.
Let us see the CD. Wait, the inclusions are there. Wait lang.
Let me see first. Let me see.
Nothing else. Okay. Nothing else. Wait, this is the CD. This. Ooh la la.
Ooh!
Ooh la la.
Ah, baby!
Mga babies. Ooh la la. And then this is the CD. Wow, so epic, so amazing. I love it.
Check this out.
Wait la.
I think you should really check it out right now.
Gani, wait la.
You should really go there.
Wait.
Let me see.
Wait, don't
Ooh!
open it. Don't open. Let's look at the everything first. So we have candle. So we have them. Oh my.
Arson has never been so sexy.
Oh my God! Jesus in heaven.
Literally doing a hot.
Yes. Samot na kayo.
We. Oh my. Oh my God! I am. Yes.
Another fun!
Ooh la la.
Appreciate.
Oh my!
Ooh la la.
I can feel your
Jesus.
pussy
Oh
trembling.
my God. Yes, you can feel it right now.
The fiction is like, what the Sigma? The lip bite pa!
Oh my, look at look.
My heart is burning.
Where are you moaning?
I mean, really, pwede ka mga yolk pancit and
Bro is in love.
No, right? Oh my Sigma!
so you guys are go.
Oh my! Oh my God! Me when the resistance ball. Yes, so
Yes! My baby!
me when it's so noisy on class. Relatable king. Oh my God!
Ano kung sinasabi niyong walang ginawang maganda si Lord? Ano yan? Uy!
Ako, madami ano din. Sure bitaw.
Ha?
Sure darang. Basta ni mura nang ikuan na kay imo kong pakan.
Lala!
Ooh la la!
Look! Bro is wild!
What do you want? What do you want?
I want me when I'm on the dinner table and I'm eating food and the house is burning behind me.
Wanna drink?
Sige.
you.
Holy shit, I drink Mountain Dew also. We are so meant to be. Oh my god, yes, Queen, water the plants while the house is on fire. Oh my.
Nakay fork paan. Unsa naman oras sa?
Me when I'm gaming and drinking.
O kapuan. Kalani o kang Marcos ba? Parang gani 2024 kwan.
Si Jenny, kaya yung favorite niya sa Marcos.
Okay, dynasty na siya. While si... May nga na si Sochi nga ka na. We can do both.
Oh, it's nice if English like it shows like that, what you call that, like she's not really into the
Oh.
culture, gani, so it should, like in English shouldn't.
Sochi can
I
speak
want that
English.
too.
Ay. Apati ba siya? So, foreign.
Oh my god, you're sexy, bro. I want you so bad, bro. Great, let's recreate.
Ay, Korea man. Lagi na. Yobo.
We're done reading all of this. Very good. We're done reading all of this. Now we're getting to the enclosure. The mark is half there.
That's why the eagle said wait. Okay, you drink, you sip.
Nandito ka?
I didn't even see the whole thing, but I saw the green hair and I was, my man!
For the corrections.
Oh, he looks so good.
Don't mind me sa kung ano, boss.
It's a
I was
big...
up-
You know, like those like YouTubers. I see! I can see! So we have... I keep getting Tio. Diba? Ay,
It's today is your day, baby girl. Your lucky day.
Or what if I replace Gunwok? No, no, my boyfriend.
Yes,
Ooh la la! It's like a film thing. Oh my god, this can be a bookmark, but I don't even read books. Kailan na? Okay, so in my collection, I have more Tios and Kios. Tia, Tio.
Diba tagkin sa atong meat sa cement, pwede cement. Itong image.
Okay. And honestly, that's the meaning of life. Life is worth to live it.